Want to use chat heads on your iPhone just like on Android? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable them step by step. First, open the Messenger app on your iPhone and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Next, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner, then select Settings. Scroll down and look for Bubbles or Chat Heads. On Android, this option appears directly, but on iPhone, chat heads don't work the same way because of iOS restrictions. However, there's a workaround. You can use Messenger's in-app chat pop-ups. To enable this, open your iPhone settings, scroll down, and tap Apps. Now, find Messenger in the list and tap on it. Next, tap Siri, and make sure suggestion notifications are turned on. Now, when someone messages you, a small floating chat preview will appear on your screen. You can tap it to quickly reply without leaving your current app. And that's the closest way to get chat heads on iPhone. Hopefully, Apple will support full floating bubbles in future iOS updates. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.